Hi guys! I wanted something new dito sa aking channel. I have this idea na pumunta sa isang shopping mall and then let's do shopping! Sasama ko kayo sa pag-shopping ko. So what do you think? First time ko tong gagawin and bear with me kasi hindi ako sanay sa ganito. Gusto kong isama kayo sa aking pag-shopping and later or maybe sa susunod na video, I will be showing you the stuff that I got. So punta tayo sa Tiendesitas! Sama kayo sa akin. Tara, let's go shopping! Alright guys, so we're here at Tiendesitas. Let's do our shopping! Hey guys! Alam niyo ba guys, akala ko kasi yung Tiendesitas for pet lovers lang. Kasi diba usually dito tayo pumupunta to get pet accessories. Meron silang mga tindahan dito na clothes. Come on, dito tayo. Paano nyo naisip yung ganitong concept?
This is a personal journey for me because I've always been a plus store. Since 18 pa ako, gusto ko na talagang magkaroon ng plus store. Kasi nung araw, they only have the largest is a large. Largest is a 10 and I'm a 12. So where does that leave me? To the men's section. Self-love. And with acceptance.
Yes.
That's why we don't sell girdles. That we mean like accept, embrace your curves. Sometimes they say that we should just stick to dark colors. But I disagree. That's a fashion myth. So, horizontals, you could wear horizontal. As long as the horizontals are thin and thick together. Those are good to wear because hindi naman siya nakakataba. Definitely, it's nice if meron siyang iba-ibang, like a partial type. Uso rin to, parang ikat. Uso rin ngayon yung back wing. Hindi na, no? It's like a back. For dress, they come out with something like, I have up to 6X.
6X.
Ito pinakamalaki. What can people look forward to is that they're able to find everything in their size. Here, they're true to size, American, US, Canadian size. So basically, pag sinabi namin 1X, totoong 1X siya, hindi siya actually large. This is a true plus size store. We carry everything from bras, panties. My bras, they go up to double D. Tops or bottoms, casuals, formals, cocktail. Definitely office wear because career clothing is our forte. They can find anything they want here, even pantyhose and knee-highs. And shoes. I have wide width shoes. So basically, they can find anything.
Andito na lahat. Usually kasi kapag plus size, nawawala na self-esteem. What can you tell them?
Well, everybody has different personalities and we're all different people. And I just have one advice for you. If you try it on, looks good on you, wear it. You wear the clothes, not the clothes don't wear you.
Thank you so much, Miss Biden.
Thank you also for coming to my store.
Tingnan nyo, meron din pala silang furnitures here. Look! Matutuwa yun si Papa pag nakita niya to. Headboard. Oh. Magkano yung sa ganitong headboard?
Single. Yan, actually, yung mga nandito sa store namin, naka-sale lahat. So yan, 5,000.
Ito.
Di ba cute?
Ang ganda. Dito. Nagko-custom made din po.
Oo, yun talaga kami. Customized. Ito mga dito, mga sample namin, pero mga naka-sale na products. Ready-made. Pag customized, medyo mas may price difference na kasi ka ng fabric mo, ng design mo. 4-seater to actually. Ang original price na is at 32. Ngayon naka-sale siya 22. Premium package.
Dito po, kina-custom made nyo rin.
Furniture refurbishing and custom-made furniture. So this one, from old fabric, pinalitan namin. Kaya kami upcycle Manila. So old items, in-upcycle namin for it to look new. Ganyan. Upcycle Manila started in 2014. Pero before this, mom ko kasi architect and yung sister ko interior designer. So, meron din silang sariling business nila. Itong store na to, 2 years.
2 years.
Nag-start dahil mahilig talaga siya mag-upcycle ng furniture. So, yung mga old sofa namin, every 3 months, nagpapalit kami ng fabric, hanggang yung mga friends niya, nagpapagawa sa kanya. Nag-post lang ako, tapos super dami nag-inquire.
Kunwari sofa. Tapos pwede ko ipa-upcycle sa inyo.
Yes.
Oh, yun pala yung term. Kasi I thought yung upcycle is something na brand nyo talaga. Upcycle means refurbish.
Yeah.
Oo.
May ibang use, or kunwari, mga iba doors, pwede namin gawing tables. Our bestseller is the Bridget chair and the Savannah stool.
Thank you, Miss J.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
The owner of Upcycle Manila. Break time na kami ni Jaya from Shopee. Hey guys, pag may naririnig kayong tumatahol na aso, pwede ang dogs dito, pwede. So kung meron kayong doggies, tapos hindi nyo maiwan, dito kayo mag-shopping. Ang dami kong nabili, guys. I had fun. Kami dalawa ni Jaya. Kasi si Jaya yung kasama ko. If you want me to do a haul, comment lang kayo sa baba. Ha? Huwag niyong kalimutan kung gusto niyo makita yung mga lahat ng binili ko sa Tiendesitas. Kompleto sila doon. Mula sa mga damit, from pambata, pang matanda, pang plus size, furniture na hindi ko ina-expect na meron pala, and maraming pagkain. Pwede kayong mamili doon kung gusto niyong kumain sa alfresco or doon sa kanilang open area. Sa ground floor naman, yung food court nila doon, aircon. So, you have a lot of choices. Thank you sa panonood. Sana na-enjoy niyo tong video na to. Let me know if you want me to do this kind of video again. And comment kayo sa baba kung meron kayong request kung saan nyo gusto next. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye!